C in 100 seconds. Variables and types. Create variables.c. Include stdio. Open main. Int. Whole numbers. No decimals. Float. Decimal numbers. About 7 digits of precision. Char. A single character. Uses single quotes. Double. Like float but 15 digits of precision. Now print them. %d for int. .2f. Float to 2 decimals. %c for char. .8f for double precision. Save. Compile. Run. Four types. 4 format specifiers, that is C. Next, format specifiers.